We'll pick up where we left off last time, the concrete bridge just south of 45th Street. I'm on foot, so it will be a long journey, of which I will show you just clips to shorten it for you. One of the advantages of walking is that we can easily stop to look at unusual sights, such as this treehouse. There's a trailer park just beyond the trees, so maybe some resident from there made it. What is this? It looks like the trail is getting smoother in the distance. Say it ain't so. It is. Now it's a sandy surface that is much smoother and could be ridden by a street bike. Good grief. It's beginning to look like more than just humans use this trail. Cow patty alert. Watch your step there in the middle. Cow patty alert. the right you can see a bench, in the shade no less, and a parking area. To the left is a sign of where things are. Approaching 53rd Street. Look both ways. It's kind of annoying to be walking so slowly when a bike would be faster, but I don't have it with me, so I'll keep on plodding. Adams Street comes up quickly since the trail slices just southwest of the intersection of 53rd and Adams. Here's a birdhouse hanging from a tree branch. There were a few scattered along the trail, about as often as a rest stop on I-70. Huh, a railroad tie along the side of the trail. What'll they think of next? It looks like more than bikes and pedestrians and cattle use this trail. There have been ATV tread tracks as well as tractor ones, even though the trail signs prohibit motorized vehicles. The tree cover opens up on the right to reveal a field that is somewhat hard to see. I have absolutely no idea what this is or why it's here, but it is made of railroad ties. Another field beyond the trees. Ah, at last, California Avenue, and the end of my planned walk. All I have to do now is retrace my steps to get back to my car. But looking to the south is the trail beckoning me onward. So stay tuned.